The Tier 2 program maps the locations of facilities storing hazardous materials and discloses the quantity and type used on site. The chemical data collected is then used to protect the environment, citizens, and emergency responders. Your Tier 2 report is due by March 1st, but it is advisable to submit it early in case of any technical difficulties. The consequences of submitting your Tier 2 report inaccurately or late may result in hefty violation fines. Follow this 4-step process to simplify your Tier 2 reporting. Step 1. Determine if you must report. Per OSHA and EPCRA regulations, facilities must report if they store chemicals in quantities equal or greater than the following thresholds: 10,000 pounds of any hazardous chemical, 500 pounds or the threshold planning quantity, whichever one is lower, from materials on the extremely hazardous substance or EHS list, 75,000 gallons for gasoline at a retail gas station, and 100,000 gallons of diesel fuel. Step 2. Know your state requirements. The EPA suggests that facilities contact their state environmental agency for state-specific reporting requirements. You can find the EPA's complete directory of state Tier 2 contacts by going to the EPA website. Step 3. Collect all hazardous chemical and material data. You can find Tier 2 related data by going through your chemical usage records, chemical purchases, contractor records, standing inventory, storage capacity, and doing a facility walkthrough to check for any materials that may not show up in your purchase or inventory records. Here are 4 hazardous materials that are often overlooked: lead acid batteries, wood dust, waste generated as a byproduct, cylinders, and compressed gases. Knowing which chemicals are reportable along with their thresholds is vital for accurate Tier 2 reporting and to ensure full compliance. ERA's master chemical list contains all the specific information for over 200,000 chemicals, which can simplify the preparation and organization of your Tier 2 reporting. Step 4. Submit your Tier 2 forms using the correct system. Depending on your state's specifications, you will need to report using Tier 2 Submit, ePlan, Tier 2 Manager, or a state-specific platform. These tools validate your data and provide you with the correct electronic format. Under EPCRA, your data will also need to be shared to your State Emergency Response Commission, your local emergency planning committee, and the fire department with jurisdiction over your facility. Final best practices. Avoid over-reporting and including unnecessary information. Remember that the reporting determination is not based on the amount purchased, but the amount of hazardous chemicals at the facility. Using an online or digital SDS tool can streamline your Tier 2 reporting. ERA's SDS solution keeps a full inventory of what is stored in your facility so you can collect all your chemical information within minutes. If you want to simplify your Tier 2 reporting and stay in compliance, schedule a demo today.